Section B.
And today, we will are tour guides.
Come with us as we explore and showcase the three main buildings of our beloved LLC.
Harap na! Let's start the tour!
Good day, everyone. Welcome to Lady of Lourdes College. I'm Leslie, your tour guide for today. Here at the entrance, we follow the rules: no ID, no entry, for our school safe. Next, this is our waiting area. Parents, visitors, and students can stay here while waiting. It keeps everything organized. That's all for my part of the tour. Now, let's go upstairs with Mitch, who will show you the second floor. Take it away!
Hello, tourists. I'm Mitch Hieronymus Sarmo. I will show you our second floor. The first thing you see, second floor. The first thing you see when you go up in the poon, this is the one of the things that important in our school. And there are so many rooms here on the second floor. You can also see the registry that we pay tuition here. So Jesseline, you can take a look at the third floor.
Hi, I'm Jesseline De La Cruz. So join me so I can tour the third floor of Our Lady of Lourdes. So you can see the rooms. So when you walk here, will you see bathroom, and here when we go up the stairs, follow me. When we go up to the left side, we will see this the library. So let's go to the library. So many people.
Good day, everyone. I'm Michaela, your tour guide for today. Come and join me as we explore some important areas of our school new building, Lady of Lourdes College. Here at our entrance, we strictly implement the rule, no ID, no entry. This ensures the safety of the security of everyone inside the campus. Of course, one of the most important facilities in any school, the restroom, it is well maintained and accessible for both students and visitors to ensure comfort and cleanliness. And that's all for the entrance, waiting area, restroom, here on the ground floor. Now let's continue our tour to the upstairs. To show you more what is inside to the second floor, I will show you to the next tour guide.
Hi everyone, I'm Marian Joy. Welcome to the second floor. Here we have several classrooms where the students spending most of their time learning. Now, let's move on to the third floor, which is also filled with the different classroom for the different tier levels. That's all for today's classroom tour. Simple, but the rooms hold a lot of memory for every Kataitis. Let's go.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Rowella Ramos, and I'll be your tour guide today. In our school, we have specific rules: no ID, no entry. It's time to gather around. Now, let's begin our adventure. Explore the event place, the court place, and the restroom. Court event. This place known as a meeting areas, the occasion, and the activities place. Let's go to restroom event place. Go inside. First thing first, cleanliness is a key. A well-maintained restroom is crucial for everyone's comfort. Just look at how tidy this place is. That's our restroom tour. Remember, a clean restroom is keep us a happy day.
Good day, everyone. I'm your tour guide. Now, let's check out the modern side of Vista Event Place. So, now we will tour you the rooms in Vista. This is the register room. And this is the waiting area. And this is the rooms. And over there, we have the parking area for the teachers and students. And guess what? Vista is variant of full of energy.
Hey everyone, today we're taking you on a tour of the most mysterious, the most exciting, the second floor. Now, let's see the rooms. Each room is designed to be comfortable with good lighting and perfect for learning.